So it's IDS time again.
I can't believe it's 25 years?
Yes, it's the 25th anniversary of the show. It's 2024, and you and I are on the main stage on Sunday.
I can't wait.
House and Home Sunday.
House and Home Sunday, talking about all things trends,
And
a lot of that is here, and gossip,
and
of course,
gossip, yeah.
But it's an incredible show,
Yes.
and it's in the North Building where we have all this gorgeous light.
Beautiful.
And
let's see the show.
okay, let's go.
Okay.
That's
Look at this, Brian. Look at the outside of this tub. It's like
metallic.
silver flecky. It's quite beautiful.
I like
Beautiful.
the thinness of the wall.
Yeah. Oh.
This is a nice set. Is this a pull down? No, it's not a pull down. Just have to have a side spray.
I don't like pull downs, but they're so practical.
They're so practical, especially with, when you have a lot happening. It's
Yeah,
nice
that's
not to
pretty
have that
nice.
extra. Very nice.
I like it.
And so is this. Look how beautiful this one is.
That's gorgeous.
Let's take a
That's
picture of that.
it feels kind of deco.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Again, design that won't date.
That was Decton, and it looks like stone.
Yes, I love the fact that I love travertine. I've always loved travertine, and it looked so much and felt so much like the real stone.
Easy care.
No
and you get
maintenance.
consistency. It was fantastic.
And huge slabs. I think it comes at 11 feet by 5 feet.
And you can get the one that looks like unfilled travertine.
Yes,
Beautiful.
I got to use it. I'm using it.
I know my family's going to be like, you're so embarrassing.
Have a great, enjoy the
so
show.
much. Thank
I'm
you.
going to see you on the weekend.
We'll see you there. I'll wave.
Okay, you drive.
I have always loved Volvos because I love the design of these
And
cars.
look at the color scheme. These are your colors.
Well, I always go with a light interior.
Right.
I go with an ivory interior, but I love the
this
woods.
is
Look
nice.
at this, the gray wood. We
This
have
is Scandinavian design.
exactly.
This is the XC90 Recharge.
Yes, this is a good car for the environment.
Yes, it is.
And-
it's a hybrid.
And I just love the car because there's so much cargo space in
The
it.
size of the
I know.
sunroof.
Isn't
It's
that
enormous.
unbelievable?
It's like almost a convertible.
And it's very comfortable.
And the thing is, you can talk to this car.
Yes.
You can say, what
Google.
time is it? Google. You can ask it, what's the weather going to be like on Sunday when we come back?
And give it an
Things like
address and
that.
it'll just
Yeah,
pop up and
yeah.
tell you how to get there.
Fantastic.
So it's smart and environmentally friendly.
Yes.
That's what they call this.
Sustainable luxury.
That is what it is. Sustainable luxury. Well, it
Yeah.
looks luxurious.
It feels luxurious, and
You're-
the sustainable part makes you feel better about what you're doing.
Exactly. And I won't drive a car without wood inside.
Oh, is that the rule?
True.
And it's not shiny. I love
No,
that.
no. It's like a gray wash Saroost
Super
oak.
cool. Super cool. These weren't here last year.
No, and these.
Those are
These are
beautiful.
organic.
Oh, those are
so
beautiful.
wall, ceiling, and that's cool. It could go on the wall or the ceiling.
Wow.
So it's like an art installation if you put it on the
Yeah.
wall, and a light fixture if you put it on the ceiling.
I
These
like
are
this
great.
color.
Beautiful.
Blue.
They sort of look hand blown.
Yeah, very nice.
Oh, look at this. Oh, I haven't
Yeah,
seen
we
this from
love
Callista.
Callista.
Look at that.
Love Callista. This is
That's
a nice
a new
handle.
one. Beautiful. This
Nice
hammered.
combo.
See, that's a gold that isn't so in your face.
Yeah, it's
it's
hammered.
that hammered gold.
Okay, this is their new thing. It comes in many colors.
So just change that
it's-
detail.
this part here comes
And
in many
personalize it.
colors. Yeah.
So I like that. I like that you can change the
Yeah.
finishes. So you can have one finish here, one finish here, as
Yeah.
they've done here, and really personalize it.
Yeah.
Do you remember when you were a kid and you did the bubbles with the soap?
Yeah, that's what it
what
looks
that
like.
looks like, because it has the rainbow in it. It looks like
like
you blow
that.
the bubbles.
Ryan, get in there.
Oh my God, I'm worried it's going to slam close on me.
Does it slam
Well,
closed?
my favorite spot is always horizontal.
Yeah.
So it's actually quite comfortable. This is my favorite position. You know what's nice is that this is screening. So it's like having an umbrella over you.
yeah.
I thought it was a solid top.
It's solar shade, I guess.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it doesn't feel like you've got a fiberglass
Oh,
canopy
yeah.
on you. You can still get the
true.
sun through. But I'm happy in anything you lie down in.
It's very nice. Can I help you?
Very
This is
cool.
the new color.
The blue. It's
The
like a marine blue.
Yep.
It looks
Nice.
like it should be on a boat.
It's nice, right?
Well, it's like a fiberglass
Yeah,
or
it is.
injection molded
Yeah,
plastic.
for sure.
So this is great because it won't corrode.
No, it won't
This would be
corrode.
good in salt tolerant areas like
Yep.
Florida too.
You could probably leave it out
Yeah.
all the time.
Interesting colors. You can get the matte, which this is, or the shiny without.
I like the matte.
And for dining tables.
Oh, look at the
So you can mix and match.
Look at this, looks like wood.
Yeah.
This is the new one. Is this one?
And what is this made out of?
Resin.
Wow, feels like
It's
wood.
HPL. No.
And what's the brand?
It's Von Dom. It's made in Spain.
Vendome. Okay. This is pretty nice work.
Very nice work. I love when everything is in one fabric.
You like the whole room like this?
But it reminds you of some of
It
those.
reminds you of the old rooms that decorators
Correct.
used to do.
Correct, in the
English
80s.
style.
And they did
actually,
one fabric.
They did one fabric and it was quite beautiful.
But if it's not
If
right, you're going to trip over this.
Oh yeah, you have to
love
love
the fabric.
Love.
But this reminds me, this is like an 80s.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's Mario Buotta, but one fabric
Yeah, he
everywhere.
used to do that.
The
for
drapes,
sure.
the sofa, the pillows,
Mr.
the
Parrish,
walls.
they all did. Yeah, in bedrooms especially.
Especially with his canopy
Especially.
beds. We used this in Florida in an oak.
Yeah.
And the landscape architect comes to me and says, how did you use wood, oak outside? I said, we didn't use wood outside, it's plastic. And he couldn't believe it, it looked so natural.
It's fantastic. Hidden dishwasher. Now she's given us a challenge.
Oh, here. So there
She
it is.
gave you a hint. I
She
saw
gave me a
that.
hint, she took me right here.
That's great.
So this is great if you don't want, look at that.
I know, because you put in your pod thing.
Oh, right.
Ooh, that's good.
See, I have to have a tray.
They're famous for this.
I have this at home. Look at the lighting inside.
I have this at the lake. It's great. Yeah.
And then you have your wine fridges here. So
Yeah.
you have your red and white because this
Yeah.
separates them.
Yeah.
And then your open bottles
Yeah.
could be in here
Yeah.
and some glasses.
Nice, right? Okay, tell us about the design of the kitchen.
What was the inspo, Michael?
So as you look into courtyards, you always see there's a lot of drama and design and detail sort of surrounding. So we created a focal point with a coffee bar in the middle, and then to just experience mealing. So all the kitchens, unique design right through, just showcasing their brand new product.
It's beautiful. You did a great job.
Thank you.
This is the best system to have the two doors.
Well, in our new office, we are doing we have two kitchens, and we're doing a really beautiful kitchen, and we're doing the Miele fridges because I have that, the Miele dishwasher, and the Miele coffee, which is down here.
You're spoiled. Look at this. Great.
36-inch fridge.
Lynda, look at this color, this gray.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yep.
Isn't that beautiful? It's
Now
such
look
a
at
soft
this.
color.
Now look at this, Brian. Dinner's almost ready.
Can you imagine, what do you do for a living? I make fake vegetables and turkeys. I make plastic turkeys for a living. So you have a steam oven.
That's nice.
I think. A warming drawer.
Warming drawer.
And a full oven. That's the speed oven, your microwave.
Yeah.
And then this is your full-size oven.
Okay, that works.
Oh, look at how beautiful that is.
Beautiful. I like the button better than having to push here. It's
Yes.
better.
Or not.
We were talking about having this at home.
I would definitely
And
do this.
I could keep
Yeah,
it
I think it's a great idea.
I just love
Right,
it.
because I mean, for me, when I'm cooking, like I always want to grab things, and if I have things in front of me,
This is amazing.
right, it just reminds me to use them
And-
instead of like having them in the fridge and just rotting in a
Exactly.
bag.
Signature Kitchen Suite donated a lot of this for the Princess Margaret Show
Oh,
House.
amazing!
Oh yeah.
Built-in combi oven, which is steamed and dry heat. You got the oven,
Regular
and the,
oven,
and the,
yeah.
and the gas range,
And the gas range.
and the induction.
And then everything all in one. Did
All
you
in
see
one.
that?
Yeah, unbelievable.
Induction,
Gas, sous vide.
and sous vide.
Oh, that's great. Awesome. I love it. Somebody's giving me the shots. Awesome.
You're not in it.
I'm not.
How
in
could
it.
we have an issue without Brian?
I know, it's unbelievable. This is pretty.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, really pretty.
Yeah. Okay.
Pretty space.
It's over.
I have to just keep that. Don't take it away! I
You
gotta keep
have your
going.
own copy.
I know I have my own copy, but I always find something new every time
Okay.
I flip through the magazine.
People are going to
Give-
think this is a
Give me 2
plant.
seconds.
It's not a plant. Blue Nova is a very big deal for them this year. And I like the Regent Green, Brian, because it's a neutral. It's
That's a
almost
gorgeous
black.
color.
Yeah.
But look at the finishes and ultra matte.
Yeah, it's their new one.
Yeah, I love
Great.
it.
Flat
Flat is great.
and ultra matte. very little difference, a bit of a texture.
And they have, you can scrubbable mat, but what's great is if your walls aren't in the best condition, the mat
this
is
is
fantastic.
eggshell is reliable.
Yeah, that's the go-to for every wall. But I love the flat, especially ceilings, if they aren't in the best condition.
Yeah.
Use the ultra
Yeah.
matte or the flat, and it hides. So it's on aluminum.
So we printed it.
Can you do custom murals? Like we pick
Yes,
the
you
mural?
just pick the image and they print it.
Oh, yeah. It's a photo of wood.
Oh wow,
It's pretty good, right?
very good.
So this one is a matte finish.
But that's why it looks real.
Yes,
This is jewelry for your home.
beautiful. Make a great drapery tie back.
Yeah,
I mean, you're the rug.
they're good. Yeah, they're nice.
Very
They're
nice.
nice. Okay.
Nice chair.
These are prefab.
Yeah, yeah.
Fabulous.
And you can buy 1 or 10.
And I hear they put them up in a week.
Yes. And they're like pods almost.
It's like a little guest
cabin,
house.
Or for yourself. If you want to build a small cottage on an island somewhere, like one season, you do this.
And look at the different styles of them.
I know. Look at this one.
Very cool. Look at this one. It's a
Yeah,
sauna.
they're like little
I think you
huts.
might need
yeah,
that.
that's a sauna. This is a hut. Isn't that fun?
Very
You
fun.
just want an excuse to sit down.
Exactly.
Me too. This is very
cool.
fun. This is fun.
You could put this across the street on the lake.
I could. Why would I do that?
Just at the dock, so you could just look straight out and look
No,
at
but this is something to put in your backyard if you're in the country what a guest house this would be.
This is very important for people that have children and grandchildren. They can just go here,
Get
close
rid
the
of them?
door.
Oh.
No, they can stay out
They
there.
can stay.
You come in here and close
No,
the
this
door.
is fabulous. You could put a bed in here and it would be a guest room.
Lynda, look at the size of this door, and it's
That's
so
incredible.
easy to open.
It's incredible.
And the handle's integrated in here. You're talking about accessible doors. This is an accessible door.
It's accessible for a carro.
Exactly, exactly.
Look at this. It's motorized.
My God. Look at the height.
20 feet.
I've never seen anything like it. It's
amazing.
unbelievable.
You have to get a really big job. So you
A
can put
really
these
big.
doors in.
Imagine this on a lake. Looking at the lake and having a window like that.
Beautiful. So this is one of the fun parts of the show. All these little things.
Yes, look at
I
all
love
of this.
this.
Oh, it's all of this.
Yeah, it's all of it.
Wow, I love
It's
these.
it's like a market.
Beautiful. Look at these.
I know. You can put them on, hang them on the wall too.
This is a color I love right
Yeah,
now.
me too.
It's almost like a light copper. This is one of the colors. We're going to use that color at the new office.
Do you think hanging these on the wall would
Love
be
it.
fun?
Love it. Or a coffee table with some books. I might need to get that.
You might need to. Are you selling them at the show?
Yeah.
Like cash and carry? Oh, can we buy some?
Please, I would love that. That would be wonderful.
This would be good because you could do this individually.
Yeah.
Like I do with antique
Yeah.
decanters. At every place setting, I have this and a glass.
Really?
Yeah.
Fancy.
Yes. So people
a
can
creamer?
pour their sparkling water as much as they want it. Or a little wine, pour it with wine and have a wine glass. I love soap.
This is an interesting idea. I mean,
There-
I know
oh, I
you
like
don't
that
need a makeup
idea.
table, but I do.
I like that
But you can
idea.
sit there and do stuff.
Oh.
Oh.
And everything's plugged in. Oh, this is really practical.
The wires go under it and you have a GFI under.
Oh.
We designed a small space.
Oh.
Okay, this is great.
Okay, this is super
Blow
organized.
dryer.
All your brushes would go in here.
Yep.
Your curling iron is here.
Yeah.
Or your straightener.
Pretty cool. So I've had clients with home hair salons, and
This
you have
is-
to go to a professional salon,
to design this.
Yeah, no, we designed them. We designed one for a client, but you had to buy everything through a commercial salon vendor. But this looks like
This
it's
you
for
don't have to.
residential use.
Yes, you just buy it the way it is.
It's a
And
very
install
good
it. You could
idea.
recess it into the wall if you wanted to.
It's a very good idea. Nobody does this.
No.
See,
Look at
I like
this.
this better than that because I like the long mirror.
And then imagine if you just recessed into the wall, covered it in
It's
mirrors.
fantastic. Okay, now open it, please. Wow. And wow. Okay, that's very cool. So much to see, but we're coming back Sunday for House and Home Sunday. You on the main stage with me.
Yes, we're going to talk about trends and a little design gossip and
Yes.
things like that.
See you at the show.